Welcome back. So today we have 2 glitter globes left. So I was thinking, because we are now all fall, all spooky season tumblers until pretty much October. That's when we're gonna start getting into Christmas designs. So my last 2 glitter globes, I know, I don't know, there's just something about making glitter globes that's just so easy and so fun to do, that getting back into stainless steel, But for the last design, we're gonna do a fall leaf design, and I was feeling a little nostalgic, and I thought it would be cool to do one of the very first fall leaf tumbler designs that I made on the channel. Not this one, but this one. So I thought we'd make it into a snow globe design. We also made a really awesome glitter globe glitter for the fall leaf tumblers last year. It was absolutely perfect. We mixed it ourselves, and then I begged Suzanne if she could actually turn it into a glitter color, and she was so amazing enough to do it for me. It's called Autumn Equinox. It is on the PDB website. You may want to get some. I don't know if it's going to last because it's not selling. It seems like it's a seasonal glitter, so I understand that it doesn't sell that much throughout the year. So if you guys do not have this color, you may want to go ahead and grab some, but it's the perfect fall leaf glitter color. It has all the fall colors. It has all the fall colors in there. The purples, the teals, the golds, the browns, the coppers. Gorgeous. If you do not have any, go get you some. Go get you some. And when you've gotten yourself some, let's go ahead and get started. So without further ado, let's do it.
Okay guys, prep your tumbler and add your stencils. If you use the same stencils and outlines that I am using, remember to cut off the stencil leaf stems. If you remember the old tutorial, those leaf stems, man. So remember to cut them off. If you are new and would like to check out the old tutorial, I'll link it in the upper right hand corner of your screen if you'd like to check it out. Now, we could do the exact same design as before, but we ain't about that life. So instead of one color, we are going with 2 and adding more glitter because more glitter makes life sparkly. And we need some sparkle in our lives, okay? For sure. I'll be using Southern Belle Glitter's glitter glue to do the tack it method as always, but you can use whatever tacky glue works for you. Seal your glitter with a clear sealer, then remove your stencils. For this epoxy layer, we'll be adding some extra sparkle like I like to do with my snow globes. So there will always be sparkle on the tumbler even when the snow globe liquid has settled on the inside. I'm going to be putting the glitter along the top, then bringing it down so it kind of is reminiscent, reminiscent of colorful falling leaves. Let cure, then we'll be ready to add our leaf outlines. And a word of caution, there is going to be a lot of weeding involved if you use this file, fam. I just wanted to warn you. Now, if you are one of those interesting people who like to weed, have fun, okay? Okay, fam, have fun. Have fun. Seal this layer with epoxy and let it cure. Then you'll be ready to add your quote. I'm going to be using this new sparkle vinyl from Tech Wrap Craft. If you have never tried it or want to try out Tech Wrap Craft vinyl, I will have a discount code down below in the description box. I absolutely love Tech Wrap Craft vinyl. It is amazing. Amazing. Pretty much the best vinyl that I have ever used. The gold textured vinyl is also from Tech Wrap Craft, so be sure to check them out. Now, for this tumbler, you don't really need a quote if you don't want to add a quote, because personally, I think it's gorgeous with or without, so don't feel you need to add one. Seal your tumbler until it's smooth and your tumbler will be all done. Now, while it is curing, let's go ahead and decorate the lid. I went ahead and filled and sealed my snow globe with Autumn Equinox from PDB. If you would like to see a long version of how I fill and seal my snow globes, I'll post a link to my first snow globe tutorial down below. That's it, guys! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support is literally everything. Have fun making your falling leaf snow globes, and I'll see you again next time.